Hello folks, happy Friday. Today I'm not going to quote unquote sell you. I promise. Instead, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of credit. First of all, what is credit? Credit is your trustworthiness in regards to your finances. Trust is important in life. We all should have somebody that we can trust in, and we can go to that person. But what about your finances? It holds us accountable for a lot of things in life, like for buying a car, buying a house, getting credit cards, a loan, funding. All these are just a means to achieve your goals or to do what you want to do. We all want to do what we want to do in some way or another. So credit is directly related to the things we have going on in life that way. So give me a call. I'd love to talk to you more about credit and answer any of your questions. 818-399-1886.